I have in front of me a Maglock kit. It's 12 volt and it's for a single door. It is available with free shipping directly from freetv.ie. So this is a scenario where you have a door where you want to come along and you just want to be able to exit from inside. So you just have an emergency exit thing. So there's no keypad or entry or anything like that from the external part. It's just that you can come along and you can exit on it. So let's look at the component part on it. Well, the power unit here is the main unit. So we'll just have a look at that for a second here. So this is just where we do all the wiring up and all the rest. It's going to supply the power over to the Maglock itself. So you'll see the Maglock here. So I'm just going to move this over to the side. We'll see the Maglock here. So this is the part where the actual magnet is, and this part is what to go on the door itself, okay? So there's a bolt and everything to go with that. So we're able to mount it directly onto it, okay? Then we'll say in case of you just want to go out, you just press this button, it'll send a signal over to disconnect this. You push open the door, you exit, and it'll re-engage afterwards. And then in the case of an actual emergency, what you'll do is just lift this, press this in, and there's a little key that comes with this as well, and you can reset it afterwards after the emergency situation, if there is one, is over with. So it's a nice little kit. We have another more complicated one that actually has a keypad and some other stuff on it here. This is the simplest of the kits. A couple of associated products that you could possibly add onto it here is you could add a bracket on here that will allow this. This is an L bracket. That's just for mounting the actual Maglock magnet itself, okay? So that's an associated product with it. And then there's a battery here as well. Most people don't go with the batteries, like we wouldn't provide them as standard with the kits, but the idea there would be if there's a power outage, something like that, that you can continue to operate and you continue to stay locked. Other than that, it'll obviously stay in an open position once the power goes out. But in certain circumstances that won't matter. So that's it anyway. An overview of the Maglock kit, 12 volt DC, available directly from freetv.ie.